Shortly after midnight, the countdown will begin for the launch of 36 broadband communication satellites on board Isro's heaviest rocket launch vehicle Mark III from Sriharikota Spaceport. It will mark the launcher's entry into the global commercial launch service market, according to the Bengaluru headquartered National Space Agency. New Space India Limited, a central public sector enterprise under the Department of Space, had earlier signed 2 launch service contracts with the London headquartered Network Access Associated Limited for launching OneWeb LEO satellites on board Isro's LVM3. The newest rocket is capable of launching a 4-ton class of satellite to geosynchronous transfer orbit. LVM3 is a 3-stage vehicle with 2 solid motor strap-ons, a liquid propellant core stage and cryogenic stage.